Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer Tone Coin from Bitget to Tonkeeper. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to do that, you first need to launch your Bitget app and then log into your account if you haven't already. After that, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right-hand corner. By default, you will be on this overview page, but you need to select the Spot tab in the top. Here you need to tap on Withdraw. After that, use the search bar in the top and search for Tone. Once you are able to find the Tone coin, select it, and then between these two options, select the first option that says On-Chain Withdrawal. After selecting it, this type of form will be opened in front of you, where you will be asked to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get this address, we need to come to our Tonkeeper wallet. And then you need to tap on the Receive button in the top. Over here, you will be able to see the deposit address. So you need to just copy it from here and then come to Bitget. Paste the address in this section. In the second step, it will ask you to provide the address tag, and the incorrect filling may result in loss of asset. So in order to get the address tag, you need to come to this page again. And here you must be able to find the address tag. If you are able to find it, you just have to paste it over here. Then in the withdrawal amount section and to the amount that you want to withdraw. After that, tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to confirm and initiate your transaction. And this way, you will be able to transfer your Tone coin from Bitget to Tonkeeper. So that's basically how you can transfer Tone coin from Bitget to Tonkeeper. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.